In this video, I'll show you how to insert shapes in Zoho Sheet. Zoho Sheet currently doesn't offer built-in tools for adding shapes or arrows directly, but there's an easy workaround you can use by inserting them as images. Start by creating or downloading the shape you want to use. You can make a simple shape in Zoho Writer or download a JPEG or PNG image from the internet. Save the file somewhere easy to access. Now open your Zoho Sheet and click the cell where you want the shape to appear. Go to the top menu and choose the Insert option. From the list that appears, click Image. You will see two choices: Image in Cell, which keeps the image inside a single cell, or Image over Cells, which allows the image to float across multiple cells. Choose the option that fits your layout. A file window will open. Select the shape image you saved earlier, and Zoho Sheet will place it into your spreadsheet. Once the image appears, you can resize it by dragging the corners, or reposition it by dragging it to the perfect spot. And that's all it takes. Even though Zoho Sheets doesn't support shapes directly, the simple method lets you add any shape you need to your project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.